Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Turn off the mobile by holding the power key for a few seconds. Press and hold volume up plus power button simultaneously for a short while. Release the power key when the Redmi logo appears. Continue holding volume up until you see recovery mode. In recovery mode, navigate to wipe data and select it using the volume buttons. Confirm the selection by pressing the power key. Select wipe all data and confirm with the power key. Once the wipe process is complete, select confirm using the power button. Return to the main menu and choose reboot. Finally, select reboot to system using the power key. Wait for the reset process to complete. Once complete, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. Your phone will now be reset to its factory settings just like when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.